Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channels. And today we are going to discuss then how we can achieve the good number of calls, good number of lead, and what types campaign we have to select to achieve good results. How we can get a good quality ad scores. It's 8 by 10, and what recommendations Google send us, and we have to implement this in our campaign or not. So basically, if you are in experts in Google campaign, then most welcome. Basically, this video for experts and also Canvas, those persons who are planning to work in PPC and beginner. Right. So first one, most welcome in my channels, and another one I'm going to discuss. So as you can see, this is the successful campaign, and I running this campaign last 3 or 4 years. This is for healthcare campaign. Why I'm showing to healthcare campaign now? Because of my clients, lot of my friends, lot of my YouTube fans sending me the message that why how we can run a healthcare campaign, because there are some compositions and some instructions from the any search engine to run a healthcare campaign on any search engine, tech support campaign on any search engine, flight to travel campaign on any search engine. So first I'm going to discuss then how you can run a successful campaign for healthcare on search engine platform, especially Google. I think you can understand then how important these tricks and tips for a campaign manager to run a successful campaign for medicines or healthcare departments. So as you can see, this is the dentist of Noida, and he's the very big dentist and very successful dentist in India. They especially working in NCR locations of capital region of India. This is the Noida. So I'm running to campaign for West Dental Clinic in Noida, West Dental Dentist in Noida. You can also check on the Google. We are also doing organic part search engine optimization for this dentist. If you click, I'm just going to show. If you click the West Dental Clinic in Noida, then you will find only the one clinic that is Naya. West Dentist in Noida. No, leave this because I am logging with the Gmail of doctors. That's why this position is coming. Right, and going to next. See, first part is that I want to showing that if you ask the query who's the best dentist in Noida, then 66 answers there, and in 66 answers the result is only one. Just give me minutes. I'm just showing. After 66 results, the answer is the same. See, Naya Dental Clinic. Visit best dentist in Noida, Naya Dental Care Center. Also, we are showing the phone number of the doctors. One is phone number and another is the mobile or landline number. Because this description part is take only 165 character. Okay, so you cannot see the website, but you can see this is the website links. If it show the 200, then websites already automatic show this. So basically, the main things to discuss this point with you. PPC management is the good part for when where we have the capacity to spend on the Google and other search engine platforms. But if we don't want to spend and we want to organic results and we want to result from SEO, search engine optimization, then you can see this is the result for search engine optimizations. We no need to spend lot of money First, you can see the Globe Dental is spending money. This is the ad is going on. Suppose this keywords first click is, yeah, one clicks price is 100 rupees. Then Globe Dental is paying 400 rupees particular digit. So the result on this keywords West Dental is in Noida. But in case of Naya Dental, there no need to any pay on PPC parts because it's automatic showing to the West Dentist, which is the West Dentist and Night Dental Clinic in Quera part. This is the reference by social media. Now we are going to the discuss with the website. As you can see, after just dial Rectro, just dial Quera, there the website is on Google. Fourth or third position is the best dentist in Noida, Naya Dental Clinic. This is the website of Doctors Naya Dentals. Also, we are showing the number. If anybody needs to number, contact, and then he or she can take the number from their website and directly contact with the doctor and the management of doctor management. So why I'm telling this is the main important part and how it is the better to PPC, because in PPC you cannot show the number in your titles. See, we just compare both things with crop dentals. You can see in title paid marketing is not provided to the function, then you can see the number in titles. If you want to do any hanky panky, then your accounts will goes to suspend, circumstances, chances, and misrepresentations, policy violations. Right? So basically, this part is done from my side. Again, we are going to back on our paid marketing campaigns. So we just refresh this page, and again we are going to the on campaign first. So friends, this video I am going to stop here now because the automatic 8 minutes video, we don't want to create a lengthy video. So next video I am going to teach you that how you can create a limited budget video and how you can get more than 10% CTR on your Google Ads. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and my again request to you, if you did not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe for, and if you want to learn the PPC management, search engine optimization, digital marketing, please subscribe these channels and do recommend our channel to your friends, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the a notification when we uploaded our video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.